Nearly everyone has lost a key or key remote, and thanks to the advanced technology and security features in most keys today, the cost to replace them has also grown tremendously and will continue to go up. It's not just replacing the key fob, which can be over $300 in most cases, but that remote is going to need to be programmed specifically to that vehicle. Not to mention, if you've lost both sets, your vehicle's going to need to be towed into the repair facility to accomplish this. All of these costs can add up quickly, and your key remote replacement will normally exceed $400. Mile 1 Automotive is proud to offer key remote replacement protection, covering your valuable key remotes for up to 5 years with a zero deductible. Your key replacement, key programming, emergency towing, 24-hour emergency road service, 24-hour emergency battery service, lockout services, theft, and even hit-and-run protection are all included. All of these benefits for less than the cost of replacing just one of your key remotes, impacting most monthly payments by just a few dollars. Nearly all leasing programs also require 2 sets of keys to be turned in at the end of your term, so protect yourself whether you turn in your lease or buy it out, with full coverage for up to 5 years, all with a zero deductible. Mile 1's key remote replacement protection. It just makes sense.